subscribees. Today I am redecorating my backdrop for my channel, but the first thing I am doing is hanging up my fake grass onto my backdrop. I am trying to get the fake grass at the center of the backdrop. What I did here, I take some fake moss and cover it with the oasis. Using tie straps and a piece of chicken wire to wrap around the oasis to make a cage. I am using 3 tiles of fake grass at each side to cover up the rest of the backdrop. I also tie straps to hold it in place. I am using my arm's length as the same width of the backdrop. If you attempt to make a cage over your oasis, be careful because the wire is cutting real bad. I was looking for a cage with oasis in different stores in Trinidad, but I did not get any, so I had to come up with this idea to make my own cage with oasis. What the cage with the oasis is for is to hang. I did not want to stick the oasis on my fake grass. I am using a wire to hang it. Now I am using fake and real burgundy pampas grass and insert it around the cage of the oasis, flat down towards the fake grass. Going in with green real pampas grass as the second layer. These are fake palm leaves and I spray them in gold. I stick the gold palm leaves in the back of the pampas grass. Inserting a jeans blue pampas grass as the third layer. The reason why I use the chicken wire over the oasis as a cage, because when I insert the pampas grass, leaf, anything, it will not move or shift. It will stay at the same place or position I insert it in. The fourth layer is a light pink pampas grass. Let's be real. Yes, I am living in the tropics, but I do not have time to pick any leaves and dry it out. So I use brown paper to make my palm leaves. After cutting out my brown paper, I switch it left, right, back and forth until I do the whole paper, and then after I insert a piece of stick, glue it with the gun and wrap piece of paper around it to hold it so it will not move. When I did finish make the leaves, I spread out the leaves a bit wide. I came up with this idea to use spray and spray to the ends of the palm leaves. Fifth layer, I am inserting some burgundy pampas grass. please do not come after me. I do not know what's the name of these flowers. All I know, the goal that I will be inserting in after is baby breath. So try not to come for me. What I am doing is trying to cover up the oasis with these baby breath and short flowers. Guys, you see them long thing I am inserting in? Yes. I don't know the name of it. Oh my god. I really don't know the name of it, but it looks so pretty. I saw it in the stores, like these will look so cute hanging out, but I don't know the name of it. I do not have anything else to insert. This is the last part. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Carita Stylish Beats. So clicking on the video, you don't see the title. What today's video is about. It is about my backdrop. I redo it over, and I wanted to show you all what I did to do this fabulous piece, right? It's unfinished. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put on your notification bell and share. I'm going to show you all the big reveal now. I hope you all like it. I put effort, patience, and how to say, details in it. Alright? I take my time and do this from scratch. This idea came from Pinterest. I do a lot of research and I came up with this idea, right? What colors I want and what details I want. I do these for myself, which I already insert how I made it and spray paint it and stuff and everything. Some of the palm grass I ordered from Amazon, and some of them I buy it locally in Trinidad, which they are real, and the one from Amazon are fake, the palm grass. But it come out pretty nice so far. So now I'm going on do something next with it, and I will reveal the whole thing now, right? I hope you all enjoy this video by me showing you all my creativity and not deep into it. And this is one of my talent that God gave me after my mom, because my mom used to do these things as well, right? So I dedicate this video to her. Yes, I dedicate this video to my mom, right? Because she gave me inspiration. So let me show you all the big reveal now. Stay tuned. So guys, this is a big reveal. I am finally finished. Okay, let me just take all these lights, and here we go. This is my big reveal. Let me just zoom out a little. Right. final product. I ordered these neon lights on Amazon. This will be my background when I on YouTube. I am in love with it. Much in love with it.